What do you do when no one's watching? If you do it then, I guarantee you, you'll be doing it when everyone's watching. If you're wondering if you're on the right path, look at the small things of life. How do you do that? It's not for the ill-hearted or the weak-natured. It's for the strong people. Knowing it's going to get worse before it gets better. It's supposed to be that way. We all fall down in life, guys. The question is, who gets back up? Do the job right or don't do it at all. The difference between a winner and a loser, the failure's there sometimes. It's just the winner gets back up and does it again, and does it again, until it goes his way. The heart of a champion is a light switch that's always on. It doesn't go on and off when someone's watching. It's constant.